Do you want to know the easiest way to paint bushes? Hi painting friends! Welcome back to another quick video. This time I'm going to show you how to paint bushes. This is so easy you won't believe it. I have new videos every week. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on anything new. So I'm going to use a round brush to paint these bushes. And first of all we're going to put in the dark area. So I've made a very dark green out of purple and forest green. So using a tapping motion, painting the shape of some bushes, and then we're going to put a highlight on top. When you're painting bushes and trees, don't make them all the same size and height or all the same shape, so keep it all random and organic looking. It's more natural. I haven't cleaned the brush, I've just loaded some yellow onto it. And now I'm going to tap in a highlight on the top of the bushes. The light source is coming from the left, would be lighting the top of the bushes and those left-hand leaves. Let's do another one, different shape this time. We'll do a round sort of a bush, like a little tree really. Same thing, paint the dark area first and then tap in with a lighter colour for a highlight. We'll make the light source come from the other side this time. Paint a highlight on the right hand side and on the top. Put a little trunk on that one, and that's all there is to it. You can see me use all the techniques that I've demonstrated in my last 3 videos in my Australian landscape tutorial. I'll put a link for it up in the top right hand corner here. So in that video I do the tree trunks and branches, the tree foliage and the bushes. Don't forget to subscribe. The buttons at the right hand corner at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.